My new Lord Drakkon Helmet just arrived. I'm unboxing it to go with my beautiful Lord Drakkon cosplay. Get that out the way. Lightning Collection. Gotta love the Lightning Collection. Looks so good. This Green Ranger helmet is also from the Power Rangers Lightning Collection, and I love that one as well. So if this Lord Drakkon is as good as that Green Ranger, then I know I'm gonna be happy. All right, let's see what we got. We got some pieces that fit together here. This is building the stand to go with it. All right, and just like that, we have the helmet stand. Oh, look at that. That's pretty beautiful. Hey, got a battery pack for the voice changer, some kind of voice changer that goes with the Lord Drakkon helmet. But it looks great. It's nice and sturdy. This is real heavy. It's heavier than my Green Ranger, I guess, because of the added voice box and battery packs. And the last thing that's in this box is the piece that goes on top. And it looks like it just clicks into place. Just like that. So the assembly was nice and easy. And it looks beautiful. Look at that. Oh, so good. I love it. It has straps and it has a head harness inside so you can adjust to fit your head. So I'm going to work on that. See how big I need it. But in the meantime, in between time, I want to put it on my mannequin with the rest of my Lord Drakkon cosplay. The latches are fake. I thought the latches were real. The latches are fake, and it's magnetic. So it just opens and closes. The magnet catches it, which is pretty legit. I'm not mad at that at all. Helmet looks great. It comes with the stand. My Lord Drakkon cosplay is now complete. On the initial opening of the box and checking it out, just a quick review, a quick checkout of the helmet. I love it. I think it's great. It's nice and sturdy. I'm going to check out this voice changer and play with that. I'm going to adjust the straps to fit my head, and I'm going to enjoy wearing my Lord Drakkon this weekend at Chicago Con. It looks great. I'm happy with it. My final thoughts on the Lord Drakkon Lightning Collection helmet. Overall, it's a great helmet. It looks amazing. So just the look fresh out the box is perfect. Unfortunately, it had a couple of dings and scratches on it when I got it out the box. But it's not a big deal. No one's probably ever really going to see those but me. Because of the voice changer built in and the battery pack on the top, the helmet is a little heavy. But it's easy to slip on and off because of the magnets. A little easier than previous Lightning Collection helmets. If I compare the way I can easily open and close this and slide it on my head versus my Green Ranger Lightning Collection where I have to actually unclip and make sure the latches go into place. This is not that difficult to open and close, put on and off, but this is even easier. I don't really like the harness inside of the Lightning Collection helmets, but that's just my personal preference. But I understand why the head harness exists, because you have to be able to size this to a lot of different head circumferences. So even though I don't like it, I know it's needed and necessary. Overall, I love this helmet. I love it for my Lord Drakkon cosplay. It was a great purchase for $120 to complete my Lord Drakkon cosplay. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up, give me that like. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. And I'll see you next time. And may the power protect you. If you want to see any of my other Lord Drakkon cosplay videos, make sure you check them out right here. Peace.